Srinagar has experienced season's first snow spill, and we are on the banks of the world famous Dal Lake. And just to show you the visuals, the scenery is absolutely stunning. Snowfall since yesterday evening, and if you talk of South Kashmir areas, districts of Kulgam, Shopian, Anantnag, it has been intense. Some places seeing snow accumulation of around 3 to 4 feet. As you can see, the shikarawalas are clearing the snow. Houseboats are looking absolutely fabulous. Now, in this, you have tourists who, in fact, couldn't move out of Srinagar today. They had to stay at Dal Lake because most of the roads are closed. Now, we have some tourists from Delhi, I think. So, you're from Delhi?
Yeah,
So, I heard that you had to go back, but flights are cancelled.
flight are cancelled.
So, you're lucky. This is the first snow spell of Srinagar.
Yes.
So, how are the sceneries?
Scenery is very good, beautiful, and I enjoy all the things in yesterday night.
Right. And you tell us, ma'am.
हाँ जी, हम दिल्ली से हैं और 8 दिन से हम यही श्रीनगर में थे. जब हम एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे तो हमारा चेक इन हो गया था. उसके बाद एकदम स्नोफॉल बहुत तेज हुआ और हमारा जो प्लेन था वो कैंसिल हो गया. तो हम लोग कह रहे थे ओ नो क्या हो गया, फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई, और हम कह रहे थे यस.
You tell us about your experience.
It's beautiful. It's truly paradise over here.
So, you must have seen snow before?
Yeah, definitely, but nothing like this.
Nothing like this. So, how beautiful is Dal Lake looking?
Oh my God, it's truly Jannat.
So, what are the plans for today?
I think we'll be exploring the city today because the landscape is beautiful, and let's see, we'll explore some bakeries, we'll
Okay.
eat something, hot chocolate and things.
Right, great. So, you also, I think, have purchased some local merchandise, some fair.
I've got this from the local market. As you can see, this is, in fact, we all have firans with us.
So, would you be able to wear in Delhi cold? Or?
I think so, with just firan, I can wear, yeah.
Chaliye, enjoy. So there you go, tourists who had their flights, they were cancelled, and they say they are lucky because flights were cancelled on that very day. They witnessed snowfall in Srinagar. So these are the kind of scenes, the emotions as far as tourists are concerned, because most of them could not move out of city today. Roads are blocked. Sonmarg, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, it's not easy to access right now because snow clearance is happening. So most of us tourists are banking or staying around Dal Lake. Now again, I'll just tell Muzaffar to show you. These are absolutely breathtaking visuals and complete valley. Initially, we saw snowfall happening only in the mountainous belts, but this time around it has been bumper, and it has also touched plains. And across valley right now, there is a beautiful white blanket of snow that has enveloped, and this is massive relief for the locals, for the tourism industry, and especially for the locals, because Kashmir was going through unprecedented dry cold conditions. Night temperatures were continuously plummeting to -8, 9 and 10, and life had become a daily struggle, a challenge. So this has brought respite in more than one way. Temperatures have now touched zero, which is a relief. But in fact, as this snow spell passes over and as skies open up, the cold conditions may basically aggravate, and we may see more freeze. But till that happens, people enjoying, tourists enjoying, as Kashmir, the wonderland it is in winters. It was loading with the ice age, with everything frozen, and now with the snow, loading is complete, and it is looking absolutely stunning. Almost anywhere you look, these are absolutely beautiful visuals. For Camperson, Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.